in agreement tayo sa thought na long overdue naman na to,
Yes.
pero grabe pa rin. Sinasabi na natin nung una pa lang, parang matagal na tayong magtropa, magkakilala, kahit isang linggo pa lang tayong nagkikita at nag-uusap. Ang pinaka-weird sa lahat hanggang ngayon, parang andun pa rin yung feeling.
Stars overhead, turn my head and I caught you by eye for the first time.
Thank you. Kasi your heart is full of love and happiness, just like Baby. Si Baby kasi yung startup natin.
Tawagin mo nga si Baby.
Kasi di nila alam nagkaanak talaga ako, pero four-legged.
Balang na lahat.
Oh, iba na ng lahi. So, medyo Belgian.
My life to serve. Look no further. I finally found something to hold on to.
Pasensya na po sa gulat. Ang totoo po niyan, sa reaction niyo po ako pinaka-natatakot. Talaga. Pero dahil po nabanggit ni Ma'am Ellen, nung 2020, kasama pa parents ko sa bahay ni Tita Bona, sa pagkakaalala ko, 2020. Kailan natin to ipapakasal? Sabi ni Ma'am Ellen. Sineryoso na po namin ni Sheena.
I couldn't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do.
Kami po ay ikakasal na.
Over and over and seen and known. It started with you. Wasn't over my head, whatever, but instead you were watching, you were listening.
Salamat kasi kahit naging medyo kakaiba ang kwento natin, hindi ka bitaw. Sheena, araw-araw kong susubukang umisip ng paraan paano ko ipaparamdam sa'yo kung gaano ko ka-deserve sumaya.
Was it my turn? Couldn't earn what you found in me. Someone to hold on to.
I always knew that I was hard to love because I'm an ate. I'm so hard to love kasi matigas ako and I have strong opinions. I don't back down. I never back down to a fight. But with you, everything is easy. Thank you kasi you kept me calm through it all. And mind you, that's the hardest thing to do.
I couldn't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do. And over and over and seen and known. It started with you.
The last 5 years of premium trials was one of the best years of my life.
Couldn't believe, couldn't see
Nag-accept po ako ng Gcash.
someone to see like you do. Over and over and new, seen and known. It started with you.
Hindi ako mapapagod samahan ka, makinig o manood ng Friends, Modern Family, Taylor Swift, SpongeBob, Supernatural, at random horror movies na sigurado akong gusto mo lang panoorin kasi gusto mo ako makita matakot o magulat.
We both took what was broken, all our craziness, all our dancing shit, and we made it whole again. Thank you for not trying to change me for who I am. I don't hate you.
I still don't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do it over and over and say that no. It started
With your friends and family, with Kuya Harold, Kuya Ayan, Kuya Nono, Nanay Porita, Lolo Bert, Chris Lites. With you, my universe, and the universe as my witness. I don't hate you forever.